Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to change desktop wallpaper in Windows 11. So, in order to do that, right-click at any place of your desktop, click on the personalize, here click on the background button, and in the first menu personalize your background, you will have few options. First option is picture. Here you can choose from some default Windows images. You can browse for your own photos in File Explorer, and you can choose fit for your image. In the second option, solid color, just simply what it says. It will make your background a solid color, for example black, yellow, any color. In the slideshow, you have to browse for your own photos in some folder in File Explorer to show not just only the simple Windows image, but slideshow from your own images. And first and last option is Windows Spotlight. It will show you a row of beautiful images of beautiful places that are proposed by Windows. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and the most important thing, have a great day.